Alright guys, what's up? So, today we have a pull day, and I'm getting ready to start my warm-ups. You know, I'm feeling pretty sore from yesterday. Definitely a lot of chest soreness, a lot of shoulder soreness. Just been trying to really stay, mobile with this shoulder, especially because of the, healing process of my tendonitis. And so I just have to try to stay consistent with that. I'm gonna do a lot more pre-warming up than I typically have done. But anyways, I have a special guest. His name's Gavin Reeser. What's up? Some of you folks may know him. We're gonna be doing our little pull day today. I'm gonna be walking him through my workout, and we will be checking the physique, hopefully, if he's still here. We don't know how much time he has, but we're gonna see if he can get through the Big Max pull day. We're starting with T-bar row, 1 plate warm up. We're gonna see how we do in this, because coming back from 2 weeks, I'm not sure how strong I'll be. Two plates. Set 3. I'll probably do one more set after this, depending on how this moves, because 135 was my Alright, we're going to be doing single arms here. I got 100 pounds on here. 6 to 8 reps like usual. $120 on the bar. Or not bar, but on the cable. I definitely feel that more when I'm doing single arm versus both arms. We got 140 on. Alright, on the lat pull downs. So, not the typical lat pull down that I'm usually doing in my back days, obviously. But I have this assisted pull-up thing. I'm gonna try to do this, see how this works out. I know the lat pull-downs are pretty similar to these, especially the assisted ones. So I'm gonna do these. We'll see how it goes. Probably do 2-3 sets of this, and we'll move on to biceps and forearms afterwards. Oh hell no! All right, we got 200 on here. Let's see how this looks. I might need to lower it a little bit.
Ladies on iHeartRadio. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. It's after 2 o'clock. Thanks for hanging out.
What the heck is this gym stuff?
If you're selling your house, you want to sell it fast and you want good money. Tip.
Good money.
Healthy.
Good gains.
This is the life chat we get into every afternoon. Your wellness shop. This morning I was talking about a cozy
Probably could have done a muscle up, bro.
House is appealing to buyers. Set up a comfy chair with a bookshelf and
What is this?
and making it reading nook. Buyers are also looking for ways to stay fit in or near their home.
All right, I'm gonna have my cousin do it. Since you guys haven't gotten to see him lift yet, he's gonna do these pull-ups. So I'll cut to that. All right, here he goes. Oh shoot!
For years, I struggled with painful lumps under my chest. I went to so many doctors looking for answers. Finally, it was a dermatologist who was
Where are these ads, bro?
HS. Yeah, I got Cosentyx.
Cosentyx secukinumab is prescribed for adults with moderate to severe hidradenitis suppurativa, HS. Don't use it allergic to Cosentyx. Get checked for TB before starting. Increased risk of infections and lowered ability to fight them may occur, like TB or other serious bacterial, fungal, or viral infections. Some are fatal.
All right, got 25-pound dumbbells. Just gonna do our seated curls here. Okay. All right, got the 30s. Do the 30s here. What is this music? What is this? Irish tap dancing, bro. See you at forearms. All right, gonna do these. Do about 20 reps, 3 sets. Start from back. Yeah, he's better. Good workout for us. All right, got it on 22.5 pounds. Yeah. All right, we're gonna move on to reverse curls. All right, on 27.5 pounds. Do this for like 8 reps.
You're stronger than HS. Ask your dermatologist about Cosentyx.
Go check the physique. Okay, guys. Alright guys, we're doing our cardio. Probably gonna be like 15-20 minutes of this, but I will see you guys in the car, or after this cardio, then I'll see you in the car. But yeah, see you in 15 minutes. Alright guys, we're at this many calories past the minutes. Just been doing 1.8, 1.9 so far, definitely burning a lot. This dude is 45 calories. Alright guys, I'll see you in the car. Alright, what's up guys? So, we're all done with the lift. I'm back home now. Honestly, today was a great day. I felt pretty good. I was moving weight a lot better than, yesterday. The weight today was more the normal weight that I was moving prior to the 2 weeks. So, that's definitely, a confidence booster there. But, really, I enjoyed today. I got to lift with my cousin. He's wanting to get back into lifting, so I asked him to join along for this lift today, and he liked it. So yeah, if you stayed along the video this long, I appreciate that. I'm glad you're supporting me out there. It's definitely a journey. Dinner last night though, guys, let me tell you, I had like 6.9 ounces of chicken tenders, 4.4 ounces of chicken breast, and a whole can of black beans. I needed it to hit my protein. I hit 202 grams protein, 2,300 calories. I felt pretty good, and I got my fiber in because the rest of the day I had not really had very much fiber. So yeah, it was a good dinner. It was hard to get them beans down, especially on this Retta. It kind of makes it hard to get stuff down, but it's going all right. Anyways, I will probably have this video uploaded sometime tonight. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you once again for supporting me and being on this journey with me. I'm around 284, 283 pounds right now. But anyways, you guys get pumped, get jacked. Don't forget to focus on God, and God bless you. I'll see you guys on leg day.